Hi ma'am, now I'm going to explain about seventh exercise in a compiler and system tools lab. Now seventh, this is name is parser, predictive parser. So now we have to give sample input in the output, and we should get the output like this stack input and output. So we have to get those table. So first of all, you should write the program to parse a given string using non-recursive predictive parsing for a given grammar. So let's see this program. Now, as we see, header files are included in this, and string transition is created with new string of array 20, and alpha set and state set. These are nothing but alphabets and states which we are going to give, and array list will be in string, that is alphabet. So buffer reader, that is new buffer reader in input stream reader. So then now we have to give means we have to ask the user to please enter the number of terminals. So to read the terminals, I have given this alpha set, that is integer dot parseInt. Now I should ask please enter number of non-terminals. For that also I have given state set is equals to integer dot parseInt. So means it will read the line, and now afterwards system means that is it should ask starting non-terminal in the grammar, and after asking that after giving this whole non-terminals, then it will ask please enter all terminals. So after giving all the terminals, for giving all the terminals in the for loop, int I is equals to 0 less than alpha set, and I will be incremented and the line will be read, and new array list will be also created, and for int I is equal to 0, that is less than alpha set, I will be incremented. After that it should be asking enter all non-terminals simultaneously, and now for that alpha I is equals to new array list, and for int I is equals to 0, that is there we have given less than alpha set. Now here I am going to give state set less than state set, and I will be incremented, and for epsilon we are using like at the rate of instead of this epsilon symbol, and for that also s is equals to 0, that is state set less than state set s plus that is incremented. Enter the row entries of the transition table, then we are going to give the row how many rows actually we have given in the question. So for that we have to take to read, and after giving that you just give you should give input to the parser, means that is the string which you have given, and it should be ended with hash character. Okay, afterwards array stack will be new array, means that will be created as new array stack, and the stack will be pushed, and stack push state will be 0, index is equals to 0, while input dot character at the rate index is equal to hash, then that will display like character 3 input and index, and index input of character in the means that inverted commas, and for a whole everything index 2 also alpha index of character 2. If transition index 2 index 1 equals to null, then the given string is not accepted. So we have to do like the string should be accepted, and then if the input of given character will be like transition of index 2 and index 1, then character d is equals to c of 1, for int I is equals to d into length, and this d of I is equals to at the rate, that is nothing but epsilon, then stack push d of I character stock pop, means it should be popped out, else character is equals to $symbol, else stack push is equals to character, then parsing completed successfully will be read. And if you want to proceed with the exceeding output, we have to give as 1 or 0 to continue, that is 1 to continue, 0 to end. That is to ask that one I have given scanner, and then I have created the class array stack, and protected character of array will be stored, and protected int top size and public array stack, that is size of 20 and new character size, and if top is greater than or equals to size, then index that is should not give more than the given limit, that is when it will come overflow exception, and public char, that is it will be popped out, and return array it will go to top, and when we give the correct state, means that is the terminals, it is display, and for that int I is equals to top, I greater than or equal to 0, and I will be decremented, and the whole values are stored in the array. Now as I have already run this program, it is asking to enter the number of terminals. I have given 6, then the non-terminals as 5, and starting non-terminal will be E. And the terminals which are all present in the this table: A plus *, open bracket, close bracket, and dollar, and all the non-terminals will be capital E, capital A, T, B, and F. For use of epsilon, we have used this at the rate. And now in this, so here as it has E tends to, that is T dash, that all we have given in this here. And wherever there is nothing, we have given null, and row entries, then row entries will be given of every transition table. Then after giving that, we should end our input string with the hash. So my input string was A plus A, the star A, dollar hash, and then means after dollar I have given a hash because it should end with hash character. Then stack input and output will be displayed as in this given question. Thank you, ma'am.